In this video, I want to talk about how you can activate the Gutenberg editor inside of WordPress. Now keep in mind, this should be the default one if you're using the updated or the newer version of WordPress. So if you don't have this by default, probably you just need to update your WordPress. So to do this, head over to just your admin dashboard. Inside of here, what you want to do is head over to dashboard and find updates. And once you're in here, you want to make sure that you take the latest update. If it says it's up to date, you should have the editor. If you don't have this, the other possible solution could be that you have the classic editor inside of plugins. So click on plugins and see if you have the classic editor in here. If you have it, just disable it and you should be good to go. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.